Hi there, my name is Maroš. In today's video I will show you how to take screenshots in macOS. There are three ways how to take screenshots. First way is full screenshot. This will make screenshot of entire screen. You can do it by pressing Shift Command 3 together. By default, all screenshots are saved on desktop. Second way is partial screenshot. If you want to capture only selected area of the screen, you can take it by pressing Shift Command 4. Your cursor will change to cross. Now select the area you want to capture. Third way is screenshot of the window. That means you can take screenshot of entire window. You can take it by pressing Shift Command 4. Now press spacebar. You can select which window you want to capture. On selected window, press left click on the mouse. Screenshot is captured. If you want to save your screenshot in the clipboard, not in the file, hold Ctrl button while taking the screenshot. Now hold Ctrl button. Screenshot will be saved to clipboard. If you want to change destination where the screenshot will be saved, press Shift Command 5. You will open Screenshot application. Here in Options, you can select where the screenshot will be saved. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. For more macOS tutorials, please check my playlist macOS. Thanks for watching.